Good afternoon once again. I just want to clarify things na may nagsabi kasi kanina when I sang the song Still and With All I Am, yung pagpapasalamat daw, it's not just I need to thank up till this day, from the time I was born until this day. Hindi siya. And so, dapat ko daw pasalamatan hanggang sa darating pang mga years. Hindi ko naman birthday, diba? Baganon yun. Pag birthday mo, you need to thank. And those years that will be coming. So, yun. So, since may ganun, so I should be thankful for that. Hindi lang that we're going to be thankful for the life that we have until now, but of course, sa life pa na ibibigay sa atin. There are things in our lives na he is not pleased to what we did, but siya lang din yung nakakaalam ng lahat, diba? Why? So, sa tao talaga, hindi naman tayo pwedeng mag-explain sa kanila.